So we ensure compliance with regulations, number one, with our training. All of our staff is trained and certified, specifically like OSHA has bloodborne pathogen training. 1910.1030 is actually the standard for bloodborne pathogens. There's a couple others as well, like respiratory protection, PPE, chemical awareness training. So everybody does this when they start, and then we do an annual training every year after that. We'll do more trainings if something changes in our procedures, or we have a new chemical, or the government has a new procedure. So that is one way. The second way, the EPA has requirements to dispose of medical waste. So like at our shop here, we have a specific area that's locked, that vermin can't get into, that will bring the waste back from a job and stick it in that shed and make sure it's safe. And then every few weeks, our medical disposal company comes and picks that up. So then after each job, we verify that the job is completed in several ways. One, is it visibly clean? If it's a situation that needs to have an ATP testing, that's one way we'll verify. And then after the job is done, we'll compile all that data, provide, for example, the medical waste company that comes, they'll give us a federal manifest to say that they picked it up and then it was properly disposed of. So, and we keep all those records. I mean, we've had those records since the day we started operation. We still have the first day's worth of records. So best practices, again, everything really falls down to best practices and industry standards. And that's one thing that sets us apart from other companies, is we follow those and document well.